Just unplug the unit. Remove.
Unscrew it first.
Unscrew all the units. Okay.
Just that one. Wait, not that.
What is that?
It's just the USB cable. I don't know, Ray.
So they should leave the USB cable from that's on the unit inside to the panel, right?
Yeah, this USB cable has to stay inside the unit.
It doesn't come off.
This, they could just leave it on the inside when they return it back.
Okay. Please do not keep the media player inside the unit before returning the e-poster. Please send that separately. Okay. So everything's good? Okay.
I'll just take that cable out.
Okay.
You ready, hon?
Yeah, right.
Let's remove that cable.
Okay.
Ready, Romo?
Again, as we did before, please tilt the e-poster forward.
Ready? Go.
Poster forward. Unplug.
Drop it.
Okay. Remove the power cord. Drop it down.
Pick it up.
Okay. And close the unit. Lock. Latch. Okay. Now we're gonna reassemble, or not reassemble, but repackage the e-poster.
Wait, Romo. So about 3 feet away.
Okay, about 3 feet away.
Ready, Romo?
Over there.
Or adjust it.
Again, this is not an official ViewSonic video. Please use at your own discretion. Okay, there's a pallet, the original box.
Can we just use this palette? Since we'll send it on this one. They can use this one.
Okay, just a pallet that we will come with. Oh, no,
Wait, what are we doing?
Next time you put it in.
Really good.
okay, right now you put it into the styrofoam casing. Okay,
What about over?
now it's in. Now move the pallet forward.
Step on it.
Step on the one person to lift. Okay. And slide onto the pallet. Okay. Okay.
I think I'll do the rest. Here we go. Graphics.
Yep, yep.
Okay, now we're gonna rewrap the unit.